Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to look at how you can do rapid multiplication of cassava seeds in a greenhouse. A greenhouse is not far from the greenhouse that we are used to, because they are using the same approach or model when it comes to farming inside these houses. So as you can see, you see there are propagator boxes where you can see cassava seedling inside it. So the good thing about using this greenhouse is they mature faster, so the time taken for you to get the seedling is shorter period of time. And then again, propagator boxes can carry from 9 to 16 plants at a go, and then you can have as many benches top down until they are full, so you can carry a lot of seedlings at a very small greenhouse, and then you can get a lot of seeds inside it. Oh, the other thing that you benefit by doing rapid multiplication from the greenhouse is that after you have placed your single node or mini stems inside these propagator boxes, after some time, like 21 days, you start doing cutting, which we call it recut. Then you transplant into another propagator boxes. So this one is rapid because it's not the same way like the traditional method where we plant cassava in our field, and then it takes like 9 to 12 months for us to get the cuttings, and then we do the cuttings and then we distribute. Now we start planting, and this one is your sure bet of germination, because after germination in the propagator boxes, you're sure of in the field like 99% of germination when you transplant to the field, unlike the traditional method where you do the cuttings, because you're not sure of if the cuttings are going to germinate. So for this one, you get many plants at a go, so that's why we are calling it rapid multiplication. And then a small space can be able to give you a lot of seedlings, and then also it's easy for you to manage pests and diseases, control environment inside this greenhouse. So if you have never known of this, at least you know.